Hello, statistics and pre-calculus. This is going to show you how to do regression calculations on your Nspire. First step is to open your Nspire and get your data in. Your data should be in two columns. It's usually useful to have your x variable in column 1 and your y variable in column A and column B. Although it doesn't completely matter, it is very helpful to name your variables. Do not name them x and y. Give them a name that's useful, like age and value. In this particular case, we're talking about the value of a used car. Add a page. We can add, if you want to visualize it, add a data and statistics page. And then we can click and we can find out what's going on. Make this page age on the x-axis, make the y-axis the value of the car, and you get some sense of what's going on. It does look like we have a nice curved graph that might be more appropriate to an exponential function than a linear function. The next step is we can add a regression line to it. From menu, we can analyze and we can do a regression. Menu, analyze, regression, and the regression we're going to do here, we'll do an exponential regression, so that's choice 8. You can either type 8 or scroll down to it, and here's a lovely equation. Y equals 23,518.1 times 0.0865 to the x power. That's in the form a times b to the x. The one thing you can't get from this view, even though it's very nice, the one thing you can't get is the r squared value. For that, we can do the same regression, but we need to do it on a calculator page. So Control Add Page, and we'll add a calculator page where we can do the regression. Menu, Statistics, Calculations, and an exponential regression again. This time it's choice A. From your x's, I want to use the age. For my y's, I want to use the value of the car. It will store the regression equation, which is handy because then it shows up in other places. You can use that equation. But we'll say OK, and we see it says a times b to the x. It gives you the value for a, which was 23,500. It gives you the value, which was 0.8656. We can use that. We have b equals 0.865. You notice this is the same as a is p times 1 plus r to the x power, and b equals 1 plus r. If I want to solve for the rate, I just subtract 1 from both sides. R is negative 0.135. So that means this car is losing 13.5% of its value every year. The negative 0.135 means it is a loss of value. There you go. That's regression.